Welcome to the deep dive. Our mission, as always, is to cut through the noise, distill the key insights, and really get you well informed fast. Today, we're taking a look at Uniswap. It's a really significant name in decentralized finance, or DeFi. They've got this suite of products for interacting with crypto, digital assets, all that good stuff. So our goal here is to unpack the Uniswap protocol, their self-custody wallet, and the expanded NFT marketplace. We want you to understand what these pieces are, sure, but also why they matter together, especially if you're dealing with digital assets. Okay, let's dig in. Foundation first. Uniswap is built around its protocol. We hear it's a decentralized exchange, a DEX, but what is it about this automated market maker model? How is it different from, say, Binance or Coinbase?
Right. Okay. So the Uniswap protocol, it's fundamentally different. It's an automated market maker, an AMM. That means no traditional order book like you see on centralized exchanges, no list of buy and sell orders. Instead, it uses these things called liquidity pools. Think of them as just big pots of two different tokens. And there's an algorithm, a bit of math, that figures out the price and lets you swap directly between those tokens in the pool.
So no middleman setting prices based on orders.
Exactly. It removes that intermediary. And the really cool part, anyone, literally anyone, can provide liquidity. You deposit a pair of tokens into a pool, and you start earning a cut of the trading fees generated by that pool. It's a peer-to-peer finance, really.
Okay, so the protocol is the engine behind it all. Pretty powerful stuff. But how do you, the user, actually, interact with it, drive the car, so to speak? That seems to lead us to the Uniswap wallet. We hear self-custody a lot. What makes this wallet stand out?
Yeah, that's the crucial link. The Uniswap wallet, it's a mobile app, iOS, Android, also a browser extension, is designed for, well, security and ease of use. But the key thing, the absolute defining feature, is self-custody. That means you hold your private keys. Your funds are yours, period. No third party, not even Uniswap Labs, who makes the wallet, can touch your assets. That's fundamental in crypto, true ownership.
Right, that control aspect is massive. Okay, so you have your keys, it's secure. What else makes it user-friendly? Does it simplify things for maybe newcomers or even experienced users?
Oh, definitely. Integration is a big plus here. The wallet has swapping built right in, so you can trade tokens using the Uniswap protocol directly from the wallet interface. It's incredibly smooth.
So you don't need to go to a separate website, connect your wallet, all those steps.
Exactly. It streamlines that process. Plus, it supports multiple blockchains, EVM-compatible ones, that is. So think Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, BNB chain. You can see and manage your assets across all these chains in one place.
No more switching apps or networks constantly.
Right. It avoids that headache. You can even buy crypto directly in the wallet with a card or bank transfer. And it gives you real-time prices, charts, data. Helps you make informed moves.
Okay, making things easier. Now, I read about recent smart wallet features. That sounds like it's aimed at making things even more efficient. Can you maybe walk us through one of those? Like, how does it solve a common crypto headache?
Good question. Let's talk about gas fees. The fees you pay for transactions on the blockchain, it's often a pain point. You need the native token like ETH on Ethereum just to do anything, right?
Right. Always got to have some ETH lying around.
Well, these smart features tackle that. One example is paying gas with any token. Imagine you want to send some USDC stablecoin on Ethereum, but you don't have any ETH for the gas fee. Normally, you're stuck. With this feature, you could potentially pay that gas fee using your USDC directly.
Oh, wow. Okay, that is smart. That removes a big hurdle.
Exactly. There's also gas sponsorship where someone else might cover the fee and things like one-click swaps. It's all about reducing friction, making it feel less crypto-y and more just.
Yeah.
Easy.
Got it. Less friction, more flow. Okay, shifting gears a bit, Uniswap isn't just about tokens anymore, right? They've moved into NFTs. Tell us about the Uniswap NFT marketplace. What's the angle there?
Yeah, that was a significant expansion. The Uniswap NFT marketplace basically acts as an aggregator. Think of it like a search engine for NFTs. Pulls in listings from other major platforms like OpenSea, LooksRare, others.
So it's not its own separate collection of NFTs, but rather a place to see many collections at once.
Precisely. The big advantage for you as a collector or trader is you get a much wider view of the market. You can browse tons of different NFTs and, crucially, compare prices across different venues, all in one interface, potentially finding better deals.
A one-stop shop, essentially. How does that integrate with the rest of the Uniswap experience? Does it tie back into that wallet and efficiency stuff?
It does, very neatly. The wallet and the web app give you that unified view we talked about. You see your crypto and your NFTs together, like a personal gallery.
Okay, nice. See everything in one spot.
And building on those smart features, Uniswap's tech, Lets you do things like buy multiple NFTs or even NFTs and tokens, potentially in a single transaction.
Ah, so bundling actions together.
Yes. And that can lead to some serious savings on gas fees, which, as you know, can really add up if you're active in the NFT space.
Yeah.
That efficiency focus carries over. And there's another really interesting NFT angle with Uniswap itself.
Oh, what's that?
In Uniswap v3, the latest version of the protocol, when you provide liquidity, remember depositing those token pairs.
Yeah, to earn fees.
Right. Your position as a liquidity provider, your specific contribution within a certain price range, is actually represented as an NFT.
Wait, so my stake in the pool is an NFT?
Exactly. It's a unique token that holds all the details.
Yeah.
The tokens, the fee tier, the price range you chose. And because it's an NFT,
You can create it.
you got it. You can sell your liquidity position, transfer it, use it in other DeFi applications perhaps. It turns that locked up capital into a more flexible, tradable asset. It's quite innovative.
Huh. That's fascinating. It really tokenizes everything. Okay, let's try and wrap this up. We've covered the protocol, the self-custody wallet, the NFT marketplace. What's the big picture here for you, the listener? What does this integrated ecosystem really mean?
I think if you step back, what Uniswap Labs is doing is trying to simplify and consolidate how you interact with DeFi and digital ownership. They're building tools aimed at giving you control, that self-custody is key, but also making those interactions smoother, cheaper, and just generally more accessible, removing those traditional barriers.
It certainly paints a picture of a future where managing all these different digital tokens, NFTs, even DeFi positions could become much less fragmented, more unified. So as you think about this deep dive, what really stands out? Maybe consider Uniswap's approach here, pulling everything together. What does having your crypto, your NFCs, maybe even your DeFi LP position as an NFT, all managed in one place, what does that suggest to you about where digital ownership might be heading? Something to chew on.